Andrews nam kenti nado bala pelat ya kejal Jivan Mission lengba Menteri Rangba do kari India Narendra Modi ladon bun ki jingkela hakabai day bat ka umbam umdi haka imlang saklang jungi haka ne jing rakhe ka Independence Day ka banyop khandai las dangi ka campaign har ghar tiranga har ghar swachhata kata ban penkhoj ki shnong gi thau penkhoj ki mar ki mata bayo lengba ka sarkar bat kumju ru hakabai day bat ka umbam umdi la yoru ban penbam smai ki nong shnong ki khna school bangi day ban le khoj ya ka shnong ka thau bat kumju ru ban penne pensa ki telong la penya je ka campaign lengba ka office jong executive engineer ka PHE Nongstoin division harangkat ka jing lang bat ki shnong bapher
Today on the occasion
of cleanliness and hygiene in my village, I take an oath that I will keep myself, my home, my surroundings,
clean.
I will also encourage my family members, neighbors, and the entire community to maintain cleanliness. I will also spread awareness about the belief of cleanliness in my village. By doing so, we will contribute to the dream of a clean India, healthy India, prosperous India, and a socially developed India, as envisioned by the year 2047. I pledge as follows. I will always keep myself and my surroundings clean and hygienic. I will make proper arrangements for disposing of waste and wastewater generated from my home, kitchen, and workplace. I will not only care about personal cleanliness, but will also inspire others in the community to keep the village clean. I will take necessary steps to prevent water logging in drains, ponds, rivers, and streets. I will make arrangements for toilets and will not defecate in the open under any circumstance. I will not use single-use plastic and will discourage others from doing so. Instead, I will promote the use of eco-friendly and reusable materials. I will take active participation in cleanliness drives and ensure that drinking water source remain clean and safe. I will protect water bodies from contamination and ensure proper waste disposal. I will take care of my health and the health of my family members by maintaining hygiene and following cleanliness practices. I will not throw
I will not throw
garbage
garbage
or wastewater
or wastewater
into public places,
into public places,
roads or drains.
road or drain.
I will use
I will use
toilet,
toilet,
drain,
drain,
and drinking water
and drinking water
facilities
facilities
properly and ensure
properly and ensure
they remain
they remain
functional
functional
and clean.
and clean.
I will encourage
I will encourage
my friends,
my friends,
relatives,
relatives,
and villagers
and villagers
to join the cleanliness
to join the cleanliness
movement.
movement.
I will dedicate
I will dedicate
at least 10 hours
at least 10 hours
a year
a year
for voluntary work
for voluntary work
and towards
and towards
cleanliness
cleanliness
in my village,
in my village,
street,
street,
and surrounding
and surrounding
to ensure the vision
to ensure the vision
of a clean
of the clean
and healthy
and healthy
village
village
is fulfilled.
is fulfilled.